Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore a fascinating aspect of the tiny as well as resilient creature known as tardigrade. What is that fascinating aspect? The use of tardigrade means use of special qualities of tardigrade in the field of cancer research, means in the field of cancer treatment. How to prevent, protect and treat cancer effectively by taking the help of tardigrades, means by taking the help of tardigrades special qualities. So a few days back a similar video was posted that was also about tardigrade, but different aspect was discussed in that video. Here today we are going to discuss only the use of this tiny creature in the field of medical sciences, especially in cancer treatment. You know, this tiny creature, size is very small, it is microscopic actually. Size varies from 0.3 millimeter to 0.5 millimeter. It has 8 legs and at the end of each leg there is one claw. And the whole body is segmented and it is covered by a flexible cuticle. So this is the tardigrade. So size is very small, it is microscopic, but it is resilient. It is able to withstand a very high range of temperatures from freezing cold to boiling heat, even radiation, even in outer space, it is able to survive. Okay. So many qualities are there. That means it can survive extreme conditions where most of the organisms would die. Those organisms wouldn't be able to survive these extreme conditions. So this is the quality. If the scientists could harness this special quality of tardigrades, then scientists could do many things. Scientists could achieve many things in the field of medical sciences. So here in this video we are talking about only cancer. How in the field of cancer research or cancer treatment we can use tardigrades. So there is one protein known as Dsup or damage suppressor. In the body of tardigrades, this protein is found. This protein seals the DNA from damage caused by extreme conditions. So, here the special quality of that protein, that is Dsup, we are talking about only that protein here in this video, Dsup or damage suppressor protein. It seals the DNA, that means it protects the DNA of the tardigrade. You know, in case of cancer, we are talking about our cancer, that disease, what happens actually? Cells are damaged. And in damaged cells, mutations occur. Okay, cells are damaged how? Because there is a problem with the DNA in those cells. And therefore, thereafter, mutations means genetic mutations occur, and therefore there is uncontrolled growth of the cells, and that is known as cancer. And you know that in the field of medical sciences there are two common therapies known as chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Both are used, but while using these therapies, the normal cells, means healthy cells, are also damaged. That is the problem with these kinds of treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation therapy. So what is the requirement? A requirement is to protect those healthy tissues or healthy cells from such treatments such as radiation therapy. So here in this case, scientists are trying to use that Dsup protein of tardigrades Dsup protein from tardigrades, scientists are trying to use that protein to help during our cancer treatment. Means by using that proteins, those proteins maybe will be able to protect or shield our healthy cells during the cancer treatment. So that is the aim of the research. Not only this, one more thing is that this Dsup protein, it may be able to repair the DNA. Because when DNA is damaged, therefore genetic mutations occur, and therefore there is uncontrolled growth of cells, and that is known as cancer. So if repair of DNA becomes possible, then we can prevent and protect cancer easily. So this is another aspect of the same protein, Dsup. Again, the same protein can be used to prevent aging. Again, the same protein can be used, since it is able, this protein helps to protect the DNA of tardigrades, and it is able to survive radiation also, intense radiation, even in outer space. So there is a chance that in future we will be able to use this protein for the astronauts who are traveling in space for a long time, long duration. So for space missions also, we can, maybe in future we will be able to use this protein. So there are enormous possibilities of using such a special quality of that protein in the field of medical sciences. Again, diseases. Okay, in those cases also, means whenever there is a problem with DNA damage, means there are many diseases which are caused due to damages occur in our DNA. So in all those cases, we can take the help of such a protein. Okay, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.